Hi, this is Martin, and in this video I'd like to give you a short demonstration of how you can connect Omnitiles to Photoshop and render textures directly to Photoshop. There is one setting you need to do in order to make this work, and you'll find the setting within Photoshop in the Preferences. Go to Edit, Preferences, and then Plugins. Now here you have to enable the remote connections. You can change this to anything or leave it, and then you have to define a password. I'm just using in this case Omnitiles, and you have to fill in the same password within Omnitiles as well. Click OK. It will take a few seconds. Then go to Omnitiles, Render, Output. This is new, the tab's in 096. And if you select Photoshop, you'll have the network address, which you can keep as localhost if it's the same computer. And then fill in the password, same one, say close. And now if you render the textures, hit the render button, render now. Keep Photoshop, render now. The renderings will appear directly within Photoshop. So let's see, here they are. Diffuse, and the other ones will follow. Yes, and this is the simplest way to basically connect Photoshop to Omnitiles and further work with these within Photoshop. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.